Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you need to replace your ball float, super simple. This is how you do it. There are 3 7/16 bolts. We got to remove those. Take your lid and the top part, lift it off, just like that. Now you can grab your ball float, pull it out, clean it, replace it if need be, get your new one, slide it back down in there just like that, line up your lid, and your bolt holes. Now that we have them started, all we have to do is tighten them back down. I do want to mention that this back bolt is actually longer than the 2 front bolts. But tighten them down and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.